we are going to look at subtraction in base 2, and we are going to use this example to illustrate. We have subtract 111 base 2 from 11010 base 2. So we start by arranging our numbers. We are removing this one from this one. So that means we are doing this minus this. So I will now write 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2 minus 1, 1, 1 base 2. Equally, I'll start from the unit side. When I say 0 minus 1, it's not possible. You cannot remove 1 from 0. So what I will do is, I will go to the next column and borrow 1. If I borrow 1, it will now remain 0 here. And that one I borrowed, because I am working with base 2, I will call it 2. If I'm working with base 10, I will call it 10. If I'm working with base 5, I will call it 5. So any base I'm working with, if I borrow, I will call it that base. So since I'm working with base 2, if I borrow 1, I will call it 2. I will add that 2 to this 0. That will give me 2. Then I will now say 2 minus 1. That will give me 1. Then coming here again, what I have is 0, because I borrowed this one. Then 0 minus 1 is not possible. That means I have to borrow again. But I cannot borrow here. I will go there. I will go to this one and borrow. If I borrow, it will remain 0 here. Then the one I borrowed from here, I will call it 2 and put it here. 2 plus 0 is 0. I will still borrow 1 from this 0, because this is not where I need the number. I'll still borrow 1 from here and still call it 2 and put it here. That will give me 2, because I have 0 there before. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 2 minus 1 will give me 1. Then coming to the next one, I have 2 minus 1, which is 1. So 1 is remaining here now. That 1 minus this 1 is 0. So I have 0 here. Then coming here, I borrowed this 1. So what is remaining here is 0. And nothing is under it, so I'll bring down 0. And then this last one, nothing is under it. I'll bring down this one. So this is my answer in base 2. So anytime you are working with any base, when you borrow, you call it the base you are working with and add it to the place you want to subtract in order to be able to do that. Thank you.